Yeah, hello Julien.
Hello Jörg.
Yeah, hello. I see our BL20 family has got a new member. What is it all about?
Yes, you're absolutely right. We had now an energy measurement system, or an energy measurement module.
Yeah.
You had one for current transformers. We had this all here. You can see a current transformer.
Yeah.
We had also a module for Rogowski coils.
Okay. What is the application for the combination of the devices?
We all see the global warming, and in Germany you had to have an energy measurement system, or you had to check your energy. For this, DIN EN 50001 is responsible in Germany, or in whole Europe you had to do it. And the first step, if you want to check or control your energy, is always to measure your energy.
Sure.
And for this, our energy module is possible.
Yeah. Okay. So we have we measure just the energy, or do we have more values which we can measure?
No, we measure a lot of more values. You can measure also the frequency. You can measure also the phase angle. The harmonic analysis is also possible.
It sounds for me that if this is gives the possibility that we do also a little bit of condition monitoring.
Yes, you're absolutely right. You can also do with the BL20 and with the IO-Link Master, for example, you can do condition monitoring. You can do it in combination with other sensors from Tauert, or you can do it with just the measurement module.
So how can I get the information out of this module?
This is possible, for example, with codesys. You can parameter the energy measurement module as you want, as you need. You can use dynamic parameters, or you can use just the voltage or just the current, for example.
Okay, good. Yeah, for me it sounds like if you have here a module or a device which fits perfectly in the time, condition monitoring and sustainability is a theme which we all have to take care about. So I wish you a lot of success with the devices.
Yeah, thank you very much, Jörg.